तपाईको आरोप के हो भनेपछि अहिलेका गृहमन्त्री सुदन गुरुङ CIA को लागि काम गर्छन् भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ. So you are saying that current Home Minister of Nepal is working for CIA.
I think it's...
You think it is true? Or you
as
are
far
just
as
blaming?
I know, as far as I know, it is correct.
So do you have any evidence about it? तपाईसँग केही तथ्य छ? तथ्यका आधारमा बोल्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
We spoke with many people who were active in this movement, and if you want, we can give you the proof.
So you have proof also?
I think my comrades and me together, we can prove it.
भनेपछि तपाईको भनाइ अनुसार अहिलेको वर्तमान नेपाल सरकार चाहिँ अमेरिकाबाट परिचालित छ. So you are saying that current Nepal government is working for United States.
Yes. And I think the United States are interested to implement the government here because to China, because to India, and they want to have their power inside this region.
किनकि नेपालमा त फ्री तिब्बत मुभमेन्ट पनि बेला बेलामा चलिरहन्छ. So many believe that if United States comes in Nepal, then there might be a free Tibet revolution again.
Yeah, that might be. I don't know if how far it is involved or is a perspective.
ठीक छ, तपाईको समय र विचारको लागि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. What is your final message to the people of Nepal finally?
To the people of Nepal, I say we can learn a lot of you because you fought successfully against monarchy and you tried to establish a socialist system or a progressive system, and there were big advances for the women, for example, and also for the whole society. But there are also mistakes and we can learn of it, and you are very friendly people and are powerful people and you have a wonderful nature. And so I thank you very much that I could be here for several times.
हस्, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद मोनिकाजी, तपाईको समयको लागि हामी आभारी छौं. Thank you so much. We really appreciate for your time.
Thank you very much. It was very interesting to discuss with you. Maybe we can continue.
Definitely. Have a good time.
Thank you.